Unlocking the mystery of hoping against hope. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the intriguing phrase, hoping against hope. This phrase often puzzles English learners and native speakers alike, so if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. The phrase, hoping against hope, means to hope very strongly for something even though it seems impossible or very unlikely to happen. It's about holding on to hope in a situation where the odds are stacked against you, and logic suggests that the outcome you wish for is unlikely to occur. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The expression, hoping against hope, has its roots in the Bible, specifically in the Epistle to the Romans. In this context, it describes Abraham's faith and hope that he would become the father of many nations, despite his old age and his wife Sarah's barrenness. This biblical reference underscores the idea of maintaining faith and hope in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Now, let's look at how to incorporate hoping against hope into your everyday language. Here are a few examples. Despite the dire forecast, we were hoping against hope that the picnic would not be ruined by rain. She was hoping against hope that the letter contained good news, even though she feared the worst. The team was hoping against hope for a last-minute miracle to win the championship. Using this phrase adds a layer of emotion and intensity to your statements, conveying a deep sense of hopefulness amidst adversity. Learning phrases like hoping against hope enriches your understanding of the English language and enhances your ability to express complex emotions and situations. It's not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about deepening your ability to communicate nuanced thoughts and feelings, making your language use more expressive and impactful. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, hoping against hope. Understanding these complex expressions is a crucial step in mastering the English language, allowing you to communicate more effectively and expressively. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep practicing, and don't lose hope, even in the most challenging learning moments. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new dimension of English for you to explore. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.